Have you ever been working in CRM and you're in a particular record in a module and you make some updates to it and you hit save and you go back, you're looking at the record and you notice, hey, some of your changes aren't there, aren't showing, or you expected some fields to maybe change some values once you hit save. So you have to refresh the screen. Well, today we're going to take a quick look at a client script to be able to do this for you so you don't have to worry about remembering to hit refresh every time. So this is a simple page refresh script I'm going to show you. It is a page event and we're going to do it on save. So it can be, it can either be on edit or it can be on create. But the main thing is it needs to be an on save action. And so it's simple. It's just a few lines of code, actually. Just basically grabbing your record ID and putting it into this function that is a built-in function that you can find here in the ZDK library, but it's super simple. So basically, you're just going to fill in whatever module you're in and then what you named your record ID. And that is pretty much it. And then it will run. You can add this to other client scripts that you want. If you already have existing ones, they have to be on save is the only thing that you're going to want on that. But it's a neat little trick and it helps to refresh the page without you having to remember, and you're going to see your results a lot better.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.